So, first of all, I apologize for this short video. Actually, has created a video earlier for about around 2 hours, but when I saved it, I don't know where it vanished. My recording tool OBS missed it or what happened. Uh, I can't find that file. Uh, Actually, I was streaming it directly to YouTube also, and another option was of recording on the device, but both are missing. I think some issue with the OBS tool. So, as I have completed the code already, so I'll just go through shortly with with how I did it and what was my thought process. So I'll go through uh, each of the line I wrote and what uh, each thing is doing. So this problem or the objective of our platform is to create an next generation cloud-based platform where users can write, save, and collaborate on books. And its core features are unlimited sections and subsections, user authentication, permissions, and roles. So these three are the main core features. So I'll go through each of them. Okay, first of all, I have installed a fresh Laravel latest version 10, Laravel framework version 10. And then I have also installed Laravel Breeze for authentication scaffolding out of the box, so that we don't have to uh, waste time on that authentication system. So this user authentication part has been handled automatically by Laravel Breeze. If I go into the terminal and run php artisan serve, before that, if I run npm run dev to start my Vite server for uh, Webpack and Vue.js. I'm using Inertia.js with Vue 3 in Laravel Breeze. So now I'm running my application. So here is it is. You see it automatically gave me the authentication. I log in and register links. I can register myself. Also, I can log in myself because I'm already registered. So I can put in my username and password to log into the dashboard. Okay, next steps are the database schema. So I've created 4 tables. Number one is books table, uh, or if we talk about from users table, which we get uh, by default in Laravel. So we have users and password resets and access tokens. These are the default stuff. Then I have books table where each book will be authored by an author, which the author will be from the users table. So I'm making a foreign key author ID which belongs to users table, and each book will be having a title. So I'm adding these two keys other than timestamp and incremental ID. Then making a sections table where uh, each section belongs to a book. So we are having a foreign key of book ID belongs to books, and then the parent ID, because we said each section will have its own subsections. So uh, I'm keeping all the sections in this table, so managing them by parent ID. So to get to know that which section belongs to which parent section. Then each section has title and its content, and then this is a order key to like give orders of uh, sections in the tree, like sections are on which uh, level in the tree. So these this order key is to determine that. After that, I have created a roles table where I've added a name key for roles. Then many to many relationship between books and users, and a pivot key role ID. It is because of when we assign a user to a book as a collaborator or author, so we will like we will one thing we assign them or attach user and book, and also we will assign a role ID like author or the collaborator, so we get to know that this person is uh, with which permissions to access this book. Okay, this is the migration stuff, and that I have wrote a seeder to add two roles by default, author and collaborator. And then if we talk about the models, so we have book model, role model, section model, and user model. And each of these have their relations with other models, like user is having a authored books relation. uh, it's because to get all of the books which this user has authored, and another one is collaborated books. This is for those books which this user is not authored by, but he collaborated in those books. And then this user's roles in those books, which we have talked about in the book underscore user table. Apologize, saved it directly to before the login, which the author will subsection between books, the collateral, collaborate